Have you ever wondered why that thing happened to you? Why is it always you? Why did you face that struggle? Why did you make that choice? What would have happened if you had made a different choice? All these questions can leave you feeling overwhelmed. It's easy to get caught up in the whys and what ifs, replaying scenarios and wishing we could change the outcome. But what if I tell you it was already written? What if everything that happens, whether it brings you joy or sorrow, is intended to guide, teach, and help you grow? Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll explore how whatever happens, happens for a reason and how it teaches us valuable lessons. Life isn't just a collection of random events. It's a journey full of lessons. Each moment, whether happy or painful, serves a purpose. Sometimes those lessons are delivered in the form of joy, laughter, success, and love. Other times, they arrive wrapped in pain, in difficulties that shake us to our core, or in losses that leave us feeling empty. But every encounter, every twist and turn is supposed to form you into a person you're destined to be. Consider the periods when everything seemed to be going well. Those times when life seemed simple and everything went as planned. It's simple to be grateful in those moments, to perceive the world's beauty and abundance. But even in those moments, there is a lesson. It serves as a reminder to appreciate the good, enjoy the peaceful moments, and recognize the abundance that surrounds us. But what happens when things don't go as planned? When life throws you an unexpected twist and you're left standing in the rubble of your expectations. The actual growth takes place during these periods. When something bad happens, it's a reminder to halt, think, and ask yourself, what is this trying to teach me? What lessons can I take away from this? How can I grow? We often find our greatest powers when we are uncomfortable or in pain. The truth is that life does not always go as we want, but it always develops in accordance with a larger purpose. Every triumph, setback, and heartbreak is a part of a story already written for you. It's a story that aims to help you identify your actual strengths and purpose. And often, the purpose is hidden in the moments of struggle when you want to give up, when the road ahead appears too difficult to navigate. Every challenge you face in your journey is there to prepare you for the life ahead. It molds you into a stronger and a much better person. So the next time your life takes an unexpected turn, remember that it was meant to happen. Accept the lessons that come your way. Learn from your experiences, mistakes, and successes. Because every moment provides an opportunity to grow, to become more resilient, compassionate, and self-aware. If you don't learn from these times, you will repeat those same mistakes that caused you pain. That is why it is important to reflect on your actions and learn from them. Otherwise, you will keep repeating those mistakes and life will get harder for you. You are exactly where you should be right now. Trust in the process, trust your journey. It was already written and it was likely to happen. The hardships, victories, highs, and lows are all part of your story. A story that has not yet concluded with much more to reveal. In the end, it isn't about avoiding pain or seeking constant happiness. It's about embracing every step of your path and realizing that each encounter is a chapter in your life story. And every chapter, no matter how painful, pushes you closer to who you are intended to be. Your story is not yet over, and the best is yet to come.